Hi everyone, I'm Kaushik Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the measures of central tendency. But before we start, we need to know the concept of central tendency. Central tendency. Central tendency is a descriptive summary of a dataset through a single value that reflects the center of the data distribution, along with the variability dispersion of a dataset. Central tendency is a branch of descriptive statistics. The central tendency is one of the most quintessential concepts in statistics. Although it does not provide information regarding individual values in the dataset, it delivers a comprehensive summary of the whole dataset. According to Garrett, central tendency is single figure value that represent a large number of data and around which there remains the greatest amount of concentration. Okay. Next, we are talk about the most common measures of central tendency. There is three measures: mean, median, and mode. So first, we talk about the mean. Mean. This is the simplest but most useful measures of central tendency. Represents the sum of all values in a dataset divided by the total number of the value. It is represented by the symbol M. In the next part of the presentation, I will try to cover the whole thing through a math exercise. The formula for calculating the mean of an ungrouped data is M equal to summation x by n. Summation x is individual score or raw score, or n is the total number of students. So for example, there's some scores 15, 13, 18, 16, 14, 17 and 12. So formula m equal to summation x by n. So summation x means total sum of all data values, 15 plus 13 plus 18 plus 16 plus 14 plus 17 and plus 12. Okay, and n number of data values, so total 7 numbers, so plus করলে 105 divided by 7, so average or mean of this course is 15. Okay, then next we talk about the median. So what is median? The median, the middle value in a data set that is arranged in ascending order from the smallest value to the largest value. If a data set contains an even number of value, the median of data set is the mean of the two middle values. Okay, then let's start with some exercise. Computation of median for ungrouped data. When we try to calculate median from ungrouped data, the following two situations could arise. So first of all, when n, the number of items in a series, is odd. In this case, where n is odd, not divisible by 2, the median can be computed by the formula md n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so try some exercise. Example 3, 11, 22, 6 and 4. First of all, we arrange in ascending order from smallest value to the largest value. Okay, so md n plus 1 by 2. N means total number of scores, to 5 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 3. So third number. So calculate from the front 1, 2, 3 and calculate from the behind 1, 2, 3. So third score is 6. So answer is 6. And the next one, when n number of items in a series is even. In the case where n is even, divisible by 2, the median is determined by the formula n by 2 plus 1. Okay, here is the example. There's total number of score is 6. Okay, let's try to calculate median of this score. 3, 4, 6, 8, 11, 22. So median n by 2 plus 1. So n 6 by 2 plus 1. Okay, equal to 4. Fourth score. Then calculate from the front 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculate from the behind 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here we can see the two scores. In that case, the median can we calculate 6 plus 8 divided by 2 equal to 7 is the answer. So now we can talk about the mode. So what is mode? Mode defines the most frequently occurring value in a dataset. In some cases, a dataset may contain multiple modes, while some datasets may not have any mode at all. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so computation of mode for ungrouped data. Okay, so MO, maximum repeated number of the score. So is an example 10, 20, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 20, 20, 30, 15. Okay, then calculate mode. So first score is 10. 10 repeated one time. Next 15. 15 repeated two time. Next 20. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 25. One time. Next 30. 30. 1, 2. 1, 2. Next 35. 35 repeated one time. Okay. Then we can see here most repeated number is 20. Then mode of this score is 20. So dear students, in this video I covered the concept of central tendency, measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.